Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't find it on your Google Play Store on Motorola Moto G22. So let's try finding the Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no game available to download right here, and in order to fix that, let's go back, click on your profile icon, go for the settings, find family, and from here go for parental controls. And there's two ways you can fix it. First one, disable parental controls and type in your PIN right here, or go for apps and games, type in your PIN and change PEGI restriction a little bit higher to 16, 18, or allow all including unrated. Now let's save our settings. Let's go back, search for Call of Duty, and as you can see, the game is right here. We can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.